Are you looking for the best online money transfer services in USA? Well, count yourself lucky, for you're at the right place. In an era where speed, security, and convenience reign supreme, the world of financial transactions has undergone a remarkable transformation. Gone are the days of lengthy queues and cumbersome paperwork, as the digital revolution has paved the way for online money transfer services to take center stage. Among the myriad options available, a select few have emerged as the undisputed champions of this financial frontier in the United States. Picture a world where sending money to loved ones, conducting international business transactions, or even splitting a bill with friends becomes a seamless and effortless experience. This is precisely what the best online money transfer services in the USA have set out to achieve. These pioneers have mastered the art of blending cutting-edge technology with unrivaled user experience, revolutionizing the way we move money across borders. The best online money transfer services in the USA depend on your specific needs. However, some of the most popular and highly rated options include Wise. Wise is known for its low fees and transparent pricing. It also offers a variety of delivery options, including bank transfers, cash pickup, and mobile money. Remitly. Remitly is another good option for international money transfers. It offers competitive fees and fast delivery times. PayPal. PayPal is a popular choice for both domestic and international transfers. It offers a variety of payment options and is easy to use. Cash App. Cash App is a good option for domestic transfers. It offers low fees and fast delivery times. Zelle. Zelle is a fast and convenient way to send money to friends and family in the US. It is only available through participating banks and credit unions. Here is a more detailed comparison of each service. Wise. Pros: low fees, transparent pricing, variety of delivery options. Cons: transfer times can vary depending on the delivery method. Remitly. Pros: competitive fees, fast delivery times, good customer support. Cons: transfer times can vary depending on the destination country. PayPal. Pros: wide range of payment options, easy to use. Cons: fees can be high for international transfers. Cash App. Pros: low fees, fast delivery times, good for domestic transfers. Cons: limited delivery options. Zelle. Pros: fast and convenient, no fees for sending money to friends and family. Cons: only available through participating banks and credit unions. Which service is right for you? If you are looking for the lowest fees and the most transparent pricing, Wise is a good option. If you need to send money quickly to a recipient in another country, Remitly is a good choice. If you are sending money domestically and want a fast and convenient option, Cash App is a good option. And if you need to send money to a friend or family member in the US quickly and easily, Zelle is a good option. It is important to compare the fees and delivery times of different services before you choose one. You should also consider the features that are important to you, such as the availability of different payment options and customer support,